Oh man, you know they say, man, them young Migo niggas doing it, man. This how them Milltown players do it, man. You know we riding them Audis and shit, man. You know satellite dishes, man. Got whips wet over here on Davins and shit. You know what I'm talking about? You got, you know what I mean? You know what I mean? Heavy Chevys, man. Spinning if you ain't winning, man. You know what I'm talking about? Candy, man. Foreign shit, all type of shit out here, man. Boss players, that's how we do this shit, man. You know what I'm saying? Represent for the mill one time, man. World star, yeah. World star hip hop, man. It's as they say they doing, huh? Spit a little bit of that shit, man. Let them hear that shit, Twan. Yeah, still let them hear that shit. Cooking whip, on the whips. David's on that, yeah.